Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Bolsonaro sentenced to 27 years in prison for plotting Brazil coup. Rifle found but suspect still at large. What we know about Kirk shooting. Trial begins in US for man accused of Trump assassination attempt. New rain spell forecast from September 16. Let's look into details. The former president of Brazil, Jair Bolsonaro, has been sentenced to 27 years and 3 months in prison after being found guilty of plotting a military coup. A panel of 5 Supreme Court judges handed down the sentence just hours after they had convicted the former leader. They ruled he was guilty of leading a conspiracy aimed to keeping him in power after he lost the 2022 election to his left-wing rival Lula da Silva. 4 of the justices found him guilty while 1 voted to acquit him. Bolsonaro's lawyers have called the sentence absurdly excessive and said that they would file the appropriate appeals. The Supreme Court panel also barred him from running for public office until 2033. Bolsonaro, who was put under house arrest after being deemed a flight risk, didn't attend his final phase of the trial in prison, but he has in the last past said it was designed to prevent him from running in the 2026 presidential election, even though he had already been barred from public office on separate charges. He has also called it a witch hunt. His words have previously been echoed by the US President Donald Trump, who imposed 50% tariffs on Brazilian goods, framing them as retaliation for Bolsonaro's prosecution. Reacting to the guilty verdict, Trump said he found it very surprising and compared it to his own experience. Charlie Kirk, an influential right-wing activist and a close ally of US President Donald Trump, was shot dead while speaking at an event at a university in Utah. Kirk, 31, was speaking at Utah Valley University in Orem on 10 September 2025 as part of his American Comeback Tour. He sat under a wide gazebo to take questions from a crowd of about 3,000 in the university's quad and outdoor courtyard. At about 12:20, he is asked by a member of the crowd, "Do you know how many transgender Americans have been mass shooters over the last 10 years. He replies, "Too many." The questioner then states there had been 5 in 10 years and asks Kirk how many mass shootings there had been in that time. "Counting or not counting gang violence," Kirk replies. Then a single shot is heard, which is believed to have been fired from the roof of the Lucy Center, a building overlooking the quad. Police in Utah have released a new video and images of a person of interest in the killing of Charlie Kirk, a conservative American activist and ally of United States President Donald Trump. The criminal trial for a man suspected of trying to assassinate United States President Donald Trump last year has started, coming at a time of heightened alarm over political violence in the US. The trial began with opening statements on Thursday as the defendant, 59 years old Ryan Ruth, took the unusual step of representing himself. Ruth faces 5 charges, including trying to assassinate a presidential candidate, and faces the possibility of life in prison if found guilty. He was pleaded not guilty to all the charges. The proceedings came 1 day after the assassination of Charlie Kirk, a far-right media figure and close Trump ally whose killing has raised alarm over the increasing frequency of political violence in the US. Roth said in July that he would represent himself in court, telling U.S. District Court Judge Elaine Cannon that he didn't want a random stranger speaking on his behalf. 2 police defenders originally assigned to his case are now serving on standby to assist him with logistical tasks. As the country reels from devastating floods caused by one of the most intense monsoon season in recent memory, weather officials have forecast a fresh spell of rainfall from September 16 to 18. The new rains are expected to affect Azad Jammu and Kashmir, northern and central Punjab, and parts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Unlike the torrential downpours of August, the upcoming spell is likely to be moderate intensity, and authorities are closely monitoring the situation and have urged local administrations to remain on high alert. Meanwhile, officials have warned that districts including Multan, Muzaffargarh, Liaqatpur, and Rahim Yar Khan face heightened risk as India continues to release high volumes of water into downstream rivers. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.